If you're still trading time for money, you're already behind. The old rules don't apply anymore. The real opportunity is building wealth online on your own terms. We're talking about building a real sustainable income stream, not just some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about taking control of your financial future. Look, the world has changed. Forget everything you thought you knew about climbing the corporate ladder. The real opportunity is in the digital economy, a global marketplace where skills are the new currency. Think about it. With the right skills and the right strategy, you can reach millions of potential customers online. You can leverage your knowledge and expertise to generate income 24/7, even while you sleep. No more commuting, no more office politics, just pure uncapped earning potential. But here's the catch, you need to understand the rules of this new game. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. It's about building systems that generate wealth, not just trading hours for dollars. The digital economy is built on new forms of capital, your skills, your knowledge, your creativity. Get ready to level up. So how do you actually win in the online finance game? It's simpler than you think, but it requires focus and execution. The core strategy boils down to 4 key steps: learn, build, monetize, and scale. First, learn a high-income skill. This is your foundation. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? Whether it's copywriting, digital marketing, e-commerce, or financial consulting, there's a high-demand skill out there for you. The key is to choose something with real market value, something people are willing to pay for. Second, build digital assets. This is how you create leverage. Think online courses, ebooks, templates, software, anything that packages your knowledge and expertise into a scalable product. These assets work for you 24/7, generating passive income while you focus on building your empire. Third, monetize your value. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Offer coaching services, consulting packages, or premium memberships. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a solution, a transformation. Finally, scale through automation and leverage. Use email marketing, social media automation, and virtual assistants to streamline your business and reach a wider audience. The goal is to build a system that runs smoothly, even when you're not there. Chapter 3. Positioning for virality and longevity. Become the go-to expert. Now, building a successful online business isn't just about throwing content out there and hoping for the best. You need to position yourself strategically to stand out from the noise and build a loyal following that lasts. First and foremost, authenticity is key. People can spot a fake from a mile away. Be yourself, share your story, and let your passion shine through. People connect with realness, with vulnerability, with someone who's been in the trenches and come out on top. Next, master the art of strategic storytelling. Your content should be more than just information, it should be an experience. Craft compelling narratives that draw people in, evoke emotion, and leave a lasting impact. Remember, facts tell, but stories sell. Focus on a specific niche. This laser focus will help you attract a highly targeted audience that's eager to learn from you and invest in your expertise. Chapter 4. Your real-world blueprint from zero to financial freedom. Alright, enough theory, let's get down to brass tacks. Here's your step-by-step action plan to turn this knowledge into tangible results. Step 1. Pick your lane. Choose a high-income skill that aligns with your passions and market demand. Don't overthink it, just pick something and commit. Step 2. Document, don't create. Start documenting your journey, even if you don't feel like an expert yet. Share your learnings, your struggles, your wins. People connect with real progress, not manufactured perfection. Step 3. Give away gold. Offer free value up front to build trust and demonstrate your expertise. Create valuable content, offer free consultations, or give away a lead magnet. Remember, generosity builds loyalty. Step 4. Package your brilliance. Once you've established yourself as an authority, it's time to package your knowledge into a premium product or service. This could be an online course, a coaching program, a membership site, or even a physical product. The internet has leveled the playing field. The question isn't if it works, it's whether you will work it. Start now, stay consistent, and in 6 to 12 months, your whole life could change. The information is out there, the tools are available, and the opportunity is ripe. It's time to stop dreaming and start building the financial future you deserve.